this video. So today we are going to discuss how the various ways in which we can collect data on KoboToolbox. Previously, we've been able to build a simple form, and on the type of data collection, we saw how to test the form. We were able to go through this online Enketo powered version web form. So, but we also saw that before clicking on it, there were several other ways that I'd like us to discuss. So, in summary, in a nutshell, there are two ways to collect data in KoboToolbox. That is using our Enketo web, can be also the Kobo Collect app or the ODK app, either of those two. So what we're going to discuss are the Enketo versions. First one here, the online, offline, multiple submission, just allows you to submit multiple data submission from a single device. This means that KoboToolbox will be able to identify a device from which the response is being made. Therefore, this works both offline and online using a browser, preferably Edge, Chrome, or Safari. Note that internet access is required during the first time when you're opening the form. However, when you open the form, it will be able to download. Then you can be able to fill offline. And later when you connect to the internet, you can submit them. Next, we have the online only multiple submission. This one is similar to this, the first one, the online only multiple submission. The only difference now is that now you have to be fully online. Then we have the other one, the online only single submission from the definition. This one just allows you to submit a single submission per device and works only online. Then online only once per respondent. Now it's also the same now. Now this one only, but only once per device. So this happens, Kobo records the device ID and will not allow additional submission from the same device. You can also embed a web form. You can get the iframe HTML syntax that you can embed in your website for people to just click and fill the form. You can also share a view-only form, especially if you're working in a team and you would like people to review. You can just click on view only. This allows people to just test the form, but they cannot submit. You can go ahead and see how it works. So it doesn't have the submits, doesn't allow to submit forms on the website. Then the other one now that I've said we'll talk later is the Android application, which is not covered in this video. So which type of form should you use? So depending on the type of submission you want, if you have data collectors going to collect data for you, you can use where you have 5 to 6 data collectors collecting over 300 data points, you can use the online offline multiple submission or the online multiple submission. If you want to collect submissions from maybe individuals once per respondent, you can use the online once per respondent or online only single submission. Then if you are working with a team and you want them to view the form only, you can just choose the view only form. The last version, as I've mentioned, the Android application, we shall explore this later. So there we have it, guys. You've been able to see the several ways in which we can be able to collect data using the Enketo platform in KoboToolbox. Thank you. See you in the next one.